The filter function in Excel is one of my favorite functions. I am Chris Menard, Microsoft MVP. If you have Microsoft 365, Excel for the web, Excel 2021 or Excel 2024, you have the filter function. If you're using Excel 2019 or 2016, you will not see this function when you type it. Here's why I love it. Over in column A and B, I've got a list of fictitious products and the number of quantity we have. And I want to find those products that are less than 10. And in this example, I want to show both the product and the number of quantity. So my filter function, multiple arguments, there's 3. The first 2 are required. What do you want to pick up? I'm going to select A2 to B26. What do you want to include? I want to include if the quantity is less than 10. There's your answers right there. If you want to test it, go over into column B and do a sort, smallest to largest, less than 10. There they are. Perfect match over there to the right. Now, also with the filter function, just so you know this as a bonus tip, you can include sorting. So if I edit the function, I'm going to add the sort function at the beginning. And now we're sorted by the name right there. If you wanted to sort by the quantity, you could come in here and say, in the sort function, what index? Since I picked up 2 columns in the filter function, I want to do column 2. And if I do that, it is by default going to sort smallest to largest. And it just did. But if I want to sort largest to smallest after that argument for the 2, we're still in the sort function portion. I'm going to do a -1 for descending because I'm sorting by the second column. There you go. There is filter and sort combined right there. Now, for my next example with the filter function, I just want to show products that are less than 10. I don't want to show the quantity. Someone says, just show me the products. So we'll do filter. And I'm only this time, instead of picking up column A and B, I'm just going to do A2 to A26. And what do you want to include? This is the quantity portion. And the quantity, what did I say, is less than 10. There you go. I'm showing just the products in this example. Example number 3, I want to show just the products again. But I want to do a between. So between 5 and 15, this one's a little tricky. Still doing the filter function. I still want to show just the products. I'm going to select A2 to A26. What do you want to include over here? Inside of quotations, I'm going to pick up all the quantity. And this needs to be greater than or equal to 5, because on this, I want to pick up the number 5. I'm going to go ahead and close that one. And then I'm going to do a star, which is an and. Pick up the quantity again. Same exact steps, basically, except this time it'll be less than or equal to 15. And always make sure you put it in the quotes. I'm about to make a mistake here myself. There you go. I had to do an open print. Didn't mean to say quote, open print before the B2 to B16, right here where my mouse is moving. Now we are in good shape right there. There are the items. Let's just do a quick check over here between 5 and 15. 9 items. They look correct to me. So there you go with that function right there. There is your between using an and right there. I appreciate your time. Thank you for your support for my YouTube channel. Have a wonderful day.